Some people will do anything to get you to share your pizza. Did he just attack with a makeshift candy bar? At least there's points for originality. Next time, you should probably bring the pizza with you. This project is Groot approved. Time to get diagonal. And every craft needs a rubber chicken. Ah yes, hot glue. All the fun of a hot glue gun, but just the first two parts. Let's hope for his sake she wasn't making one of those DIY slimes. Eat your heart out, Alton Brown. We've got a super whisk. If you ever wanted an extreme version of paper mache, just use cardboard. Please don't say we need breadcrumbs next. He does the same thing when making tuna casserole. You should probably have like a tarp underneath. Mjolnir, I summon thee! Anyone surprised that worked? This has got to be the weirdest lasagna ever, besides the ones with zucchini. Is he still here? Someone needs to call Scooby-Doo or something. Back to our lasagna. The first part of making a knife is apparently already having a knife. Let's speed things up a bit. This is a job for those 80s sweatbands. Look who's back! Wait, it was that easy to get rid of him? Thumbtacks are the answer to everything and anything. And they look cute too. The best projects are the ones that leave you with plenty of sawdust. It just has so many uses, like plant food or fake snow. Remember to get a container for the sawdust. Think of all the money you can save on razors. Don't let your knife show up to a high-powered business meeting underdressed. Get it a custom handle. Wait, those things weren't really blue? This is that colored dress meme all over again. Great, now he knows where you keep your teddy bears. Time for the ultimate test. Will it cut vegetables? Finally, a cut without all that smooshing. Now, let's try with the pickle. Let's hope it doesn't get juice everywhere. Yeah, it worked! Well, there's always room for improvement. Time to make the ultimate salad. Finally, this video is almost over, and we're getting to that pizza. But maybe you should microwave it first? Remember, folks, there's a reason Thor wears a helmet.